Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a boss fight in Geometry Dash. Now I'm going to keep this very simple, but of course you can then adjust your boss fight the way you want to. Basically the first thing that you want to do is to set your level ready. In my case I'm going to set my boss fight into another mode, which is going to be the ship mode. From here, you then want to place your height. So in my case, my build or my maximum height is going to be this one. Of course, once again, you can adjust your level the way you want to. But in my case, and to make the video simple, let's just keep it this way. The next thing that you want to do is to add your boss. So it's going to be on this specific page right here. And then let's place the boss this way. And then of course, let's make it as big as we can. From there, the next thing to do is to add a trigger or a move trigger so the boss will then follow our player. Click on the trigger options or the trigger category, and here you then want to place it on the start of your boss fight. And of course, before you do that, you just want to make sure to group your boss first. In our case, it's going to be group number 1 since this is a brand new level. And then for the move function, let's then highlight our boss right here. So click on the edit object, and then you want to make sure to lock it to your player X and then your player Y. And then for the move time, let's then make it something like unlimited if you want to. Or if you want your boss to only follow you for a couple of seconds, of course, you also have an option to do that. Now for the easing, let's do something like the elastic in out option. And of course, the target group ID is going to be 1. Enable the touch trigger if this is the level trigger that you want to apply it. And then let's click on OK. And then that should be good. So let's simply make the boss closer to our player so we can see it more efficiently. And basically from there, you have successfully made your boss follow you on your Geometry Dash level. And basically, of course, from here, you can add some spike, some laser, or some additional effects. So you have the boss fight that you want to. But once again, to make things simple, I'm just going to keep it this way. Maybe you want to add some spikes along your level, or maybe you want to add some fireball. So let's just do that real quick, which is going to be this one. And basically from there, you have successfully created yourself a boss fight or a simple boss fight in Geometry Dash. Now, once again, this is the base tutorial on how you can get started with your boss fight, but you have to basically edit this out according to your level. You want to add some attacks, some spikes, some challenges in order to make your boss battle more intense. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.